Today we're showing you a 2017 New Holland Workmaster 70 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor. Comes with a New Holland 611 TL quick attach front loader. It's got the skid steer style hookup for your bucket connection. 6-foot bucket, barely shows anywhere at all. Tractor has just over 100 hours on it. It's a very, very nice tractor. A couple small scuffs in the hood. Other than that, the tractor is nearly flawless. Comes with the balance of the factory warranty. Tractor has 70 horsepower and again just over 100 hours. Telescopic 3-point arms. It does have stabilizer bars on both sides. Rear hydraulic outlet, 540 PTO. Got the toolbox and the foldable rollover bar. R4 tires. And again, the paint is excellent except for the couple scuffs on top of the hood here. Tractor does have the mechanical shuttle, which allows you to change direction with this lever right up here in the column. Has the 8-speed transmission. You've got high-low here to the left of the seat, 4 gears over here to the right. Also have your 3-point and hydraulic control to the right. Loader control right there within easy reach. Back to the left here, you've got your Pto engagement. Differential lock, foot throttle, brakes all down below on the floor. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. Also comes with the New Holland warranty, which runs through 8/21 of 2020. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.